the other thing I was researching as well, other legal side of things as well, is all around copyright. So I was at my e-commerce mastermind in Madrid. One of the things we were discussing was ways to get rid of people who've come and kind of squatted on your listing, and ways to get rid of people who are your competitors who are doing kind of dodgy things. And one thing that came up was all around copyright for images. Okay, so I'll give you an example of how that might work. This is electronic hearing protection for people that go and fire guns. Okay, and actually these sell so many. You can make a ton of money in this niche, but as you can see, you only have to look at these like that. Sorry, that is the same thing. Here we go. The Howard Late one. They're like the same product. Yeah. They're the same kind of product, the same kind of photo, you know, even that same kind of photo, that. So anybody looking is going to see a lot of things that look exactly the same. Okay. A lot of things that look exactly the same. So that is bad. That is bad for you if you're wanting to dominate the marketplace, or if you've got somebody coming in trying to usurp your position. So here's what you can do. You can register your images for copyright protection. Now, if you do that, then nobody else can use your images. That in and of itself is a super cool thing to do. This website here, which is copyright.gov, copyright.gov, you can get all of your Amazon images done for one listing. So you can get, from memory, 10 images copyright protected for $75 in America. Okay, so in America you have to pay to get some copyright protections. There are in place some, you get some copyright protection pre-given, but in America, because it's very litigious, you can go to a whole new level and actually register it and pay and get it's almost like trademarking your images, okay, which affords you insane protection. Okay, so if you're selling in America, definitely do that. It will be insanely difficult for people to come and either use your images or sell your same product if you do that. So that's that. If you are in Australia, selling in Australia, you do not need to do that. The laws are different in Australia, and copyright is instantly granted to you the second that you put your images on the public domain, which would be Amazon in our case. You're instantly given copyright. You do not need to put the copyright logo on the images. It's instantly granted for you. The same also applies in the UK as well. So the UK's got because the UK and Australian law, they're both based on canon law. So they're very similar with regards to copyright and how copyrights works. But because America, much more litigious, much more wealthier lawyers, then there's this extra level you can do as well, which if you're selling in America, is a super cool thing to do. Okay. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.